Deep beneath the mountains of Switzerland, there's a machine so massive that most people will never see it. A place where scientists send particles racing faster than bullets, where invisible forces collide, where humanity attempts to recreate conditions that existed moments after the birth of the universe. It is called CERN. For some, it represents the greatest achievement of human curiosity, a window into the secrets of reality, a place where we ask the universe, what are you made of? But for others, CERN has become something else, a symbol, a place surrounded by questions, rumors, and fears, because throughout history, humans have always been afraid of opening doors they don't fully understand. The ancient world feared fire. People feared electricity. They feared flying. They feared the first machines that changed civilization forever. And now, some people fear the possibility of what happens when we start reaching into the deepest layers of existence itself. The Large Hadron Collider is a machine built to smash tiny particles together at unimaginable speeds. Not because scientists want destruction, but because they want answers. What is dark matter? What gives particles mass? Why does anything exist at all? But there is something unsettling about standing at the edge of the unknown. Because every great discovery in human history came with one terrifying question. What happens if we're wrong? The internet is filled with stories, claims that CERN could open portals, that it could tear holes in reality, that it could awaken something we were never meant to find. Most of these ideas are not supported by scientific evidence, but the fear behind them reveals something very real about humanity. A deep, ancient fear that maybe there are things in this universe we are not meant to control, because the scariest monsters aren't always hiding in the dark. Sometimes they're hiding in questions. What if every answer leads to a bigger mystery? What if every discovery reveals how little we truly understand? What if the universe isn't silent, but simply waiting for us to become advanced enough to hear it? Thousands of feet underground, a machine hums. Magnets powerful enough to guide invisible particles. Technology built from decades of human knowledge. A monument to curiosity. A reminder of our brilliance and our arrogance. Because humanity has always reached for the heavens. But sometimes, the most frightening thing we can discover is not what is out there. It's what we find when we look deeper.
Will you curse my name or hear your own? In the dark between every tone, this is my honest signal.